Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Thursday, October 18th, and we're going to take a look really quick here at crude oil and a setup that we were following for several days in the trading room and in the in-the-day videos that played out. It triggered yesterday, hit our initial targets yesterday, hit our secondary targets today, and is now starting to bounce up, but it worked out beautifully. So this is one of my favorite setups to trade. If you've watched the naked trading webinar or seen any of the naked trading videos, you've heard me talk about this setup and what it is. It's what we call a micro trend breakout. Okay, so overall the crude trend was down. We put in the higher lows. We draw what we call a line in the sand. You break that line in the sand, that's your sell entry. You look for the acceleration to the downside. Our first target was right over here, right towards the end of the day once we had that hammer, and our secondary target was significantly undervalued today, right around 68.5 was what we were actually looking for. We got out around 68.60, 68.77. So worked out really well though as a whole. Now, when we look at this setup, this is purely a price action setup, okay? And we see first off, we need to identify trend. Trend in this case is moving lower. We have significant lower high, lower lows. Then we look for a short-term period of compression against the trend. So you see here, this is our compression. We put in higher lows, higher pivot lows here, even though the trend is down. And it's not running away to the upside. It's just compressing to the upside, slowly bouncing around multiple price bars to climb, right? We draw what we call the line in the sand, which connects all those lows. And we look for the break through the line in the sand to trigger the short entry. That means you're selling yesterday around 71, drops right down. You have about $2,000 contract trade or a $1,500 contract trade between the entry and the last exit. So worked out beautifully. If you do not understand this type of setup and why price action is so important, I would encourage you to go check out the naked trading video. It's the #1 viewed price action video, at least it has been for the past couple of years on YouTube. Okay, just look up naked trading. It'll be there. It's like 400,000 views, something like that. But great way of trading, one of my favorite setups. Works really well, happens all the time. It's played out here in crude oil and RBOB and heating oil beautifully over the past couple of days. So that's it for today. Don't forget, if you're not a member, you can always check out the membership for an entire month for only $7. It's a cup of coffee at Starbucks. It's down in the description below. You can check it out there. But that is it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, everybody, happy trading.